Hello friends! Can you identify the adverbs and adverb phrase in the given sentence? The boy ran very quickly down the street. Pause and think. Were you able to find it? The words very and quickly are adverbs, while the entire group of words very quickly is an adverb phrase. Do you want to learn the ABC of adverb phrase? Then, in this video, we will learn all about adverb phrases. First, we will learn what are adverb phrases. Then, we will understand different types of adverb phrases and how to identify an adverb phrase in a given sentence. And finally, we will learn where are they generally used with lots of examples and exercise. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is an adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is made of two words, adverb plus phrase. Now what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or tells us more about a verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. For example, the ball is moving slowly. Here the word slowly is describing the verb moving. So it's an adverb. And what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that has no subject-verb agreement, so it cannot stand alone, but has a meaning and proper grammatical structure. For example, the ball is moving very slowly. Here, very slowly is describing the verb moving, which means it is acting as an adverb in the sentence. And as it is a group of words which has a meaning but no subject-verb agreement, it's an adverb phrase. So an adverb phrase is a phrase that acts as an adverb in the sentence. Adverb phrases are generally divided into 5 types based on the way they describe any action. Number 1. Adverb phrase of time. It describes when an action occurred. I completed my homework around the night. When did I complete my homework? Around the night. So, around the night is the adverb phrase of time here. Number 2. Adverb phrase of place. It describes where an action occurred. We walked over the bridge. Where did we walk? Over the bridge. So, over the bridge is an adverb phrase of place here. Number 3. Adverb phrase of manner. It describes how an action occurred. Anand waited silently and patiently. How Anand waited? Silently and patiently. So, silently and patiently is an adverb phrase of manner. Number 4. Adverb phrase of frequency. It describes how often an action occurred. Almost every year we take a trip to Goa. How often do we take a trip to Goa? Almost every year. So, almost every year is an adverb phrase of frequency here. And number 5. Adverb phrase of reason. It describes why an action occurred. Due to heavy rain, we had to cancel our plans. Why we cancelled our plans? Due to heavy rain. So, due to heavy rain is an adverb phrase of reason here. So, these are the 5 types of adverb phrases based on the action they are describing. Please note, adverb phrase not only describes an action but also adjectives and other adverbs in the sentence. Now, let's learn how to identify an adverb phrase in a sentence. An adverb phrase will come in 3 ways in any sentence. Number 1. Adverb plus adverb. Number 2. Prepositional phrase. And number 3. Infinitive phrase. Let's look into each of them with some examples. Number 1. Adverb plus adverb, where the first adverb will be functioning as an intensifier. For example, very, extremely, really. Let's look into a sentence example. She drives really carefully. Here, really carefully is an adverb phrase formed by 2 adverbs, really and carefully. And the adverb really is acting as an intensifier in the sentence. Some more examples could be, Ashita ate her breakfast very quickly. Here, the adverb phrase is very quickly. She danced extremely beautifully. Here, the adverb phrase is extremely beautifully. Let's look into the second way of identifying an adverb phrase. Number 2. Prepositional phrase used as an adverb phrase. A prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition such as in, on, at, with, and a noun or pronoun as the object of preposition. It can also include any modifiers of the object. For example, the store closes at 6 o'clock. Here, the prepositional phrase is at 6 o'clock, where at is the preposition and 6 o'clock is the object of the preposition. Sometimes, the same prepositional phrase could function as an adverb in the sentence. Here, at 6 o'clock is the prepositional phrase describing when the store closes. So, it's an adverb phrase. Let's look into some more examples of this kind. He was standing in the corner. Here, the prepositional phrase in the corner is acting as an adverb. So, it's an adverb phrase. The bird flew high in the clear blue sky. Here, the prepositional phrase in the clear blue sky is acting as an adverb phrase. Now, let's look into the third way of using an adverb phrase. Number 3. Infinitive phrase used as an adverb phrase. An infinitive phrase is a group of words that begins with an infinitive verb which is to plus base form of a verb. For example, to improve, to work out, to buy, and may include objects, modifiers, or complements. Let's look into a sentence example. To improve your writing skills, practice every day. Here, to improve your writing skills is an infinitive phrase. Sometimes, the same infinitive phrase could function as an adverb in the sentence. Here, the infinitive phrase to improve your writing skills explains why we should practice daily. As it is acting as an adverb here, it's an adverb phrase. Some more examples could be, he went to the gym to work out. Here, the infinitive phrase to work out is acting as an adverb in the sentence. So, it's an adverb phrase. I need to go to buy some food. Here, the infinitive phrase to buy some food is acting as an adverb in the sentence. So, it's an adverb phrase. I hope now you understood what are adverb phrases and how they are used in a sentence. Now is the time to show what you have learned from this video. In this exercise, you need to identify the adverb phrase and its type. The sentences are: Number 1. I will come in the first week of September. Number 2. Children play in the park. Number 3. We walked very carefully across the floor. Pause the video, solve the exercise and message me the answers in the comment. I will be waiting for it. I hope you would have given the correct answers. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this video. First, we understood what is an adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is made of two words, adverb plus phrase, and acts as an adverb in the sentence. Next, we learned the 5 different types of adverb phrases based on the way they describe the action or event in the sentence. Number 1. Adverb phrase of time. Number 2. Adverb phrase of place. Number 3. Adverb phrase of manner. Number 4. Adverb phrase of frequency. And number 5. Adverb phrase of reason. Then we learned the 3 ways to identify an adverb clause. Number 1. Phrase containing the combination of adverb plus adverb. Number 2. Prepositional phrase used as an adverb phrase. And number 3. Infinitive phrase used as an adverb phrase. Finally, I gave you an exercise whose answers you will be giving me in the comments. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Links to all the related videos related to this topic are given in the description. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. All the best for your upcoming exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.